Yes, kasi kailangan mag-operate ka pa ng body. Hindi dapat nakadikit etong kita sa tiyan. Left hand forward. Relax, relax, relax now. Hands up on your side. Palad ng harap sa floor. There. Now, inhale muna. Exhale, push the carriage with your right leg. Right leg. Right leg. There. Inhale to bend. Pasok ng tiyan. Very good. Go for two. Push. Push. Inhale. Exhale to return. Last one. Inhale. Push for 3. Hold down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik muna ng carriage. Inhale. Exhale. Hands on your foot bar. Lower down your right foot. Relax. Sabay, tatlong beses po on your right side. Then sabay-sabay na po kayo sa left side. Okay? Stand up. Yes. Kaya po yung mga pinagagawa natin kanina. Una, number 1, ginawa natin stretching para hindi po masyado mahigpit ito. Pangalawa naman, yung bola under your foot. Okay? Backward muna. Sige ma'am, atras ka muna, atras ka muna. Sige pa, sige pa, sige pa. There, now hands on your foot bar. Legs straight, stomps, hands as wide as your shoulders, legs straight. Now, lift your left heel up. Diretso ng left leg. Sige, diretso ng left leg. There. Place your right foot on your foot bar. Careful po ha. Yes. Pagka masyado mahirap, i-ano mo na siya sa side back. Tapos, usog-usog mo na lang siya. Sa pinakagilid mo na siya ilagay mo. Yan. Tapos, usog-usog mo lang siya, ma'am. Pwede naman po yun. Okay? Sige, ma'am. Yeah. Now, left hand forward. Careful. Left hand forward. Followed by your right. Huwag mo siyang alisin, huwag mo alisin na. Left hand forward. Followed by your right. Sige, left hand forward. Followed by your right. Yeah. Down ka muna. Oh, dyan ka lang muna magsalita. Sige, mag-down ka muna lang. Okay? Wait lang po. Ma'am, left leg straight pa. Now, sige ma'am, slowly release. Oops, control. Oops, wala mo na magpupush. Balik mo na ng carriage. Bend your right knee para ibalik ang carriage. Then left leg straight pa. Diretso pa. There. Hands up on your side. Side lang kamay. Palms facing the floor. Now, wala mo na magtutulak. Inhale muna. Exhale, push the carriage with your right leg. Slowly. More. 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 Inhale to return. Exhale, go for 2. Push. Inhale to return. Straight back. Exhale, go for 3. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik muna ng carriage. Hands on your foot bar. Right foot down. Relax. Ma'am Lai? Actually, mas maganda po kung straight siya, pero no one is forcing you to do so. Lalo na kung maligpit po ang hamstrings. Kaya din po tayo nag-umpisa ng stretching ng hamstrings para po dyan. Medyo advanced straight siya. Po? Dapat straight siya kasi split po siya. Okay, pero okay lang naman po. Stand up, stand up. This one is an advanced technique skill. Okay? Atras, atras mo. Sige mo, place mo na yung right foot mo on your foot bar. Up, left heel up. Then, place your right foot on your foot bar. Left foot here.
Ayan o.
Nakasabi ko lang na nakasabi ko lang, kakapuri ko pa na. Sige ma'am, if it's too difficult for you, pwede mo na siya i-side. Side mo na siya. Yan! Sa gitna, sa gitna, sa gitna. Left hand forward. Left hand forward. your bed. There. Then hands up on your side, palms facing the floor. Inhale, na. Exhale, push the carriage away using your core. More, 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 more. Hanggang dyan na lang. Inhale, exhale, return. That's it. Now, hinihila ka ng carriage, hindi ikaw nag-control. Push for 2. Ikaw ang mag-control pabalik.
For pabalik?
Push,
Kailangan
push,
pilates?
push, push, and return. Aalisin ko yung hawak ko sa'yo. Last
Sure,
one, push for 3.
Kami kiyaw.
Use your core, use your index. Lahat din yan, inactivate natin kanina. Hold it there. 5, 4,
Tita Joy
3, 2, 1. Balik muna ng turn. Slowly
Open sila
control.
ni
Hands on
Tita
your
Jasmine.
bar. Very good. Lower down your right foot. Ma'am. Hi! I have my favorite.
Pinag-disabay nga na kami.
Oo ma'am, nakilala na pa.
Wala na kami yung kay. Kate ang puy.
Dok, opo.
Atras mo,
Atras.
Ay,
Atras ka muna ma'am.
Joke.
Sige, atras ka muna. Tayo ka muna, tayo. Tapos atras ka. Yung sako po nakadikit kay footbar. Oops, down lang. Tapos, ito din ma'am, atras mo lang. Dikit mo lang. Yan. Now, hands on your footbar. Did Coach Abby see you na? No?
Ayun na siya.
Okay. Now, left foot up. Leg straight. Right foot up. Wow, yama. Left hand up. Left hand up. Thumbs. Upright pa. Angat pa. Pantay pa. Someone is pulling you from above. Straight pa. Sige pa. Meron pa yan. More. There. Hands up on your side. Palms facing the floor. Now, inhale, lower down ng puwet to your carriage. There. Exhale to push with your right. Push with your right leg. Yan. Slowly. Yan. And return. Go for 2. Push. And return. Last one, go for 3. Ikaw ang mag-control pa balik. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik muna. There. And hands on your foot bar. Lower down your right foot. Relax. Child's pose. Last one, ma'am. Then sabay-sabay po kayo sa
Kailangan na stretching. Last na lang. Push for 3. Hold it there. Push. Yan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik muna yung carriage. Balik lang. Now, slowly. Hands on your foot forward. Right foot down. Kasi mas
Ready? Ready? Wait lang po. Tayo muna kay Ben. Careful lang. Pag hindi na po kaya, ano po gagawin? Hawak lang tayo. Okay.
Round the back. Lift your arms up.
Kasi po, wait lang po, timer muna, wala pa po naman po kasi. Kasi po, mag-isa lang po ako, hindi po kayo matatasan. Okay? Dito po ako naka-assist kayo ng play. If hindi nyo na po kaya, gagawin ng kamay for your arms. Stand po na, as flat, as hindi po mataas kayo foot, upper shoulder blocks. There. Pinangalalim inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Hands on the floor. Okay. Straight muna ng legs. Straight muna ng legs. Now, if your right heel up, on your squats. On your left. Sorry, left. Left, left. There. Now, left leg straight down. Diretso pa ng left leg. Slowly. Sorry, right heel. Sorry po, right. Then, right heel up, right leg straight. Place your left foot on your foot bar. Wala mo na mag-release. Listen very carefully. Angat tayo po sa lean. Angat yan. Yan. Wala po mo na mag-release. Wait for my class. Yes. Ready. Left hand po. Angat tayo. Angat na kayo po. Isasabay yung katawan sa straight leg. Left hand forward. Followed by your right. Left hand forward. Followed by your right. Now, angat ng body. Straight ng body. Back straight. Very good. Hands up on your side. Palms facing the floor. Babalo muna ng puwet baby. Inhale. Exhale, push the carriage with your left leg. Slowly. Yan. Right leg straight, palms sa knee. Exhale, trigger. Go for two, push. Inhale, trigger. Last one. Exhale, go for three. Hold it there, right leg straight, palms sa knee. Angat ng right leg. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik lang muna ng carriage. There. Hands on your foot bar. Lower down the left leg. Roll to your chest pose. Relax. Let's take off your water. We're going to sleep early.
As you press it down, you might lengthen or lift your right leg. Chest out only. Lift the right leg. Good. Then you bring. As you return, lower the right foot. Slowly bend the elbows. Maintain this position. Right? Then press the leg. Press the
Yeah.
We're working on here. Rabbit.
Chest hands up on your side.
Press and lift. There we go.
Now, inhale. Exhale.
Very good. Nice. Very good. Nice. Return.
Last round. Left leg against your shoulder blocks. Right foot in front.
Feel it also under
There. Right hand on your side. Palms facing the syllabus. Inhale. Exhale to push the carriage away and side.
Then go up.
Back to the center.
Bend the
Inhale.
elbows.
Exhale. Counter stretch.
Then step your left foot back.
Back to the center.
Press and lift.
Exhale
Good.
to side bending. Back to the center. Exhale. First stretch. Last one. I want more. Back to the center. Exhale. Side bending. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Exhale. First stretch. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Both hands on your forearm. Hands is wide as your
Press the bar.
Inhale. Exhale. Push the curvy weight and forward. Inhale.
Circle the arms down.
Exhale. Return.
How are you?
Inhale. Push for 2. Stay first.
All good, right?
And return. And last one. Inhale. Exhale. Go for 3.
Perfect.
Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And repeat. Facing the window, please.
Do not let your heels. So from here, you will just press it on.
Left hand on your football, right hand up on the
Whenever you
side.
press the bar down,
Palms facing the
no
ceiling. Inhale.
tilting of the legs.
Exhale, push the curve to the inside.
No tilting of the legs. Right?
Back to
Just press it
center.
using your hand.
Exhale, another stretch.
Just this line.
Back to center, inhale. Exhale, go side bending. Back to center. Exhale, another stretch. Last one, back to the center. Exhale, go side bending. Hold there. 5, 4,
Press it
3, 2,
That's the starting
1. Back to the center.
Inhale.
Exhale,
Exhale,
another
relax.
stretch.
Good.
Hold it there for 5, 4,
Do not feel
3,
what?
2,
Good.
1. Back to the center. Both hands on your foot bar. Inhale. Exhale, push the fingers away and bend forward. Arms long back. Inhale.
Go for 6.
Exhale.
Until here.
Return.
Yeah.
Inhale. Push for 2. Inhale. Stay. Exhale. Return. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Repeat. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and return. Step down to forward knees. Remove the spring.
This
Step
time,
inside,
so
your head forward.
heel down. Heels to the
Step inside and work your right leg on top of your
Focusing
foot.
on your feet.
Left foot straight, please.
Tighten the core of the baby.
Okay. Inhale to circle your arms
Exhale,
up.
press it down.
Exhale to slowly reach for the floor. Hold it there for 5,
And if you're
4,
ready, lift the butt.
3, 2,
And
1.
if you're
Lift
ready,
your
lift
arms up.
Go for 4.
Exhale to bend
And
backward.
if you're ready,
5,
lift the butt. Go for
4,
5.
3, 2,
Go for
1. Back to the center. Reach for the floor. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your arms up. Exhale to bend backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Reach for the floor. Hold it there. 5, 4, and 3, 2, 1. Lift your arms up. Last one. Exhale to bend backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Circle your arms out. Lower down your right leg. Left leg on top of your foot. Right foot straight, please. Inhale to circle your arms up. Exhale to reach for the floor. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your arms up. Exhale to bend backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Hold it there. 5,
Also, like
4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your arms up. Exhale to bend backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Reach for the floor. Hold it there for 5, 4,